Thousands of St. Lucians are getting ready to sample delicious Creole cuisine and treats in communities across the island for the 2025 Jounen Kwéyòl festivities. Before vendors prepare these mouth-watering dishes, health officials urge them to adhere to food safety protocols to prevent illnesses and disruptions to the activities. Health officials have published a host of tips for vendors, including ensuring that they have proper hot and cold holding equipment available and functional throughout the event.
Use sufficient hot holding equipment. Example, stenos, cold pots, warmers, and cold holding equipment. Example, coolers, ice, and chillers. Provide separate ice for cooling food items and serving drinks. Maintain cold foods below 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 4 degrees Celsius, and hot foods above 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 60 degrees Celsius. Food should never be kept at room temperature. Keep hot foods hot and cold foods cold.
Vendors should also ensure that they grill meats and fish products on separate grills.
Maintain temperature control when transporting and storing perishable foods. Use insulated containers or equipment designed to retain proper temperatures. Avoid preparing food too far in advance of consumption to reduce the risk of bacterial growth. Provide separate grills for cooking meats and fish products, particularly shellfish.
Merchants are encouraged to refrain from using the same cutting board for meats, fish, and vegetables. Health officials emphasize the importance of sharing the responsibility for food safety.
Prevent cross-contamination by keeping raw and cooked or ready-to-eat foods separate, especially when handling raw meat, poultry, and seafood. Use separate cutting boards and utensils for raw meats, allergenic foods, and ready-to-eat foods, such as vegetables, fruits, and bread. The ministry emphasizes that food safety is a shared responsibility. By adhering to these guidelines, both vendors and customers play an essential role in ensuring this year's Jounen Kwéyòl celebration is a safe, healthy, and enjoyable one.
Officials also appeal to patrons to be cautious and selective about where they purchase food, choosing vendors who demonstrate clean, safe, and hygienic practices. Health officials will closely monitor the events to safeguard public health. Gina Felipe, HDS News Force.